you. Hello, I love you.
Hello, little explorers! Are you ready for a sandy seaside adventure in drawing? Today, we're going to meet a very special friend, and he's waiting for us on our piece of paper. Let's get our pencils ready for the first discovery. Look, right there in the sand. Two big, curious eyes have popped up. They're looking all around, wondering who is coming to play. Who could they belong to? Let's draw a nice round body to hold everything together. Well, we need a way to say hello. Let's draw two big, strong claws reaching up to wave. They look like they're saying, "Over here, come join the fun." Our new friend is getting closer. Now, let's add the legs so he can scuttle across the beach. Drawing 1, 2, 3, 4. He's moving super fast on all those little legs. He must be so excited to meet you. But wait, we need to know how he feels. Let's draw a big, wide, happy smile for a mouth. He is so glad you are here. Finally, we need to give him a big hug. It's our very own happy crab. Great job, everyone. You drew a fantastic beach friend. Now, let's make our little crab friend feel right at home. What do we need to do? We need to give him some super colors, like he just got back from a sunny coral reef. Let's get our red crayon and start coloring his big, round body. Imagine all the nice warm sun he's soaking up on the red sand. Wow, he looks so happy and bright. Now let's color those friendly waving claws. They're ready for some fun in the sun. Let's keep going. Let's color all his happy legs. He's ready to dance a super duper crab dance. Oh, but there's one more thing. He needs to see all his friends on the beach. Let's color his big eyes a bright, cheerful yellow. Like the shining sun. Perfect. Look at that wonderful red crab, smiling brightly with his big yellow eyes. He looks ready to find some yummy beach treats and play all day with you. Well done, artists. He is one very happy, colorful crab.
Hello, I love you. Come back soon. Let's draw with me and play again. Hello, I love you. Come back soon. Let's draw with me and play again.
I had so much fun drawing with you today. You did an incredible job following the story step by step. If you want more magical drawing adventures, cute characters, coloring fun, and surprise animations, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Keep drawing, keep smiling, keep imagining. And I'll see you in our next magical art adventure. Bye-bye, little artists!